Anything for probation?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Brenner?
Thank you, Your Honor. A couple of things. First, I want to state that I know the court's aware throughout this case, I've spent a good amount of time with Mr. Ogletree. I've gotten to know him, gotten to know his family, and I think I can say definitively this man is not a monster. I know that it was not his intention to hurt this man or his family. I don't know that we're ever going to know the full truth of what took place that day. But I think that Mr. Ogletree is being truthful when he said that he had no problems with Mr. Wetherington. I think it speaks to his character also. We spoke more than once about the victim's family and about him wanting the victim's family to know what took place and to know who was responsible. In fact, I think yesterday, when we were talking about waiting for the family to come so that they could hear the verdict, my client said, I think they have a right to be here. We were kind of whispering back and forth. And I know that this is a situation that has weighed heavily on Mr. Ogletree. He knows that regardless of whether the outcome of this trial, he's going to be in prison for decades. And I think we've talked, he recognizes that, and I'm not here to make excuses, but he's from the projects of Cleveland. He had a rough upbringing. He's had a lot of adversity in his life. Not that that's an excuse. I just want the court to be aware of that. And I think he recognizes that he needs to and he wants to change and not be this person and not be associated with crimes or illegal activity or, frankly, breaking the rules in a facility. He wants to be the kind of person who is at peace with himself and at peace with other people. I think he's making progress in that direction. And again, I know the court's aware of kind of the progress of this case, but Mr. Ogletree has been respectful. He has been, obviously, I know there was a slight issue during the trial, but